And then I started just promoting on Instagram.
Okay.
And it really works.
Yeah.
Like,
do you do it straight through Instagram, or do you use the Meta app?
No, just straight to
Straight
Instagram.
through Instagram?
Yeah.
Okay.
I never used the other one.
Okay.
I hear about that, but no.
And when you promote, I'm just being curious now. Generally, what's the span of time that you promote for?
So I pick one picture and I can promote like 6 days.
So you do it about 6 days at a time?
Yeah.
And how much money are you investing?
Like $20.
$20
yeah.
for 6 days?
Mhm.
That's all you invest?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Uh-huh.
And so you only have one picture at a time
So
going around, or do you have
sometimes
multiple
I
pictures?
can do 2 or 3.
Okay.
And that's it. Because it happened that one time I wanted to get more appointments. So I was like promoting like different states.
Yeah.
And Instagram like punished me and took down my
Really?
Instagram because it said like I cannot be in many places,
At once.
something. Yeah.
So where do you choose to promote now? Like, do you have like a specific area?
So now I'm just using automatic. I used to promote more Miami when I was at the studio.
Uh-huh.
But then I saw that promoting automatic, it shows other states. And when I started getting like people from other states, I was like trying to write, okay, this person is from Texas, this person is coming from Orlando, so that's the area that I have to.
So you don't even choose a location. You
No.
go
Sometimes
automatic?
or sometimes I say, okay, I'm gonna promote Boston because I have many people there.
From there.
So I yeah.
And what about the interest? You know the section that it says interest? Do you put the interest as tattoos, or you don't put anything there?
No, I don't put anything.
Nothing?
No.
No interest, nothing? Just very general?
Just well, now that it's automatic, I don't pick, but normally it's just women.
Oh, so you promote towards women, automatic, and you don't even put tattoos as interest?
No, I don't. I used to do that, but I feel that automatic it
works
working
better.
good for me. Yeah.
Okay, that's something that I might integrate into what I'm doing.